Hi lovelies, welcome to O.Doris Healthy Tasty Meals. Of course, this is your host Doris. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious rich veggies macaroni. So if you're new to this channel, you are very much welcome. Please subscribe, thumbs up this video, and also turn on your notification so that you don't miss any of our recipes. Yes, our recipes are very important because this channel we share healthy recipes and demonstrate how you can make your meal in a more healthy and tasty way. So to know how I make this delicious rich macaroni, keep watching and I promise you will not regret it. And to my old subscribers, you're very much welcome. Thank you so much for your support. So let's go ahead for this prep for today. I want to start with a cup of water and a cup of macaroni. I'm not using much, so you try to get a healthy type of macaroni, which is the whole wheat macaroni. So the whole wheat macaroni has more fiber and it helps in digestion. And another thing is, when you're making a macaroni or if you want to eat white rice, make sure you get a lot of veggies into it. Guys, the veggies add more nutrients to your meal and also help the digestive system. It helps get rid of toxics and a lot of antioxidants that help to also fight some radicals in the system. So always get enough veggies in your meal, guys. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know my meals are mostly a kind of, I like getting busy with veggies, not maybe the meat and fishes. So here are the veggies I'm using. As you can see, I'm already slicing them while our macaroni is cooking. So let's continue slicing. Veggies chunky slice, but I ended up giving them very tiny slices because the macaroni, I don't want the sizes of the veggies to be bigger than the macaroni, so I kind of give them tinier slices. So you can still slice yours to your desired shape, it doesn't hurt. So our macaroni got cooked as we are still slicing the veggies, and we kind of turn off the heat. So here is it. It's very soft. I think it cooks for like 5 minutes and it's ready. So this time I'm going to set it aside and make the sauce. This is a whole tomato paste. No added color, no added sugar, no added anything. I prepared this tomato paste for myself. So if you want to learn how to make your tomato paste, please check the description box. I'm going to leave the link there. So I just started garnishing with the nutmeg, with turmeric and salt. So give it a quick stir and add water to it and allow it to cook for like maybe 60 seconds, and you should start adding the other things you will be using. You can always add water if you feel it's drying up. So I'm going in with my shrimp, or prawns rather, sorry. So those are the prawns I'm using, but you can use any, maybe if you want to add chicken, but I'm still going to maybe show you people the right way to eat some of your meat so that you don't get much fat from it. So that is Scotch bonnet, guys. So you just season your sauce with the spices you have and make it as tasty as you know how. So at this point I'm going in with my macaroni. Remember to cook on a low heat. After making your sauce, you turn down your heat and add the macaroni. This will allow the macaroni to easily absorb the sauce. So the sauce don't get easily dry up. The macaroni absorbs them little by little. You can always add water to kind of get the consistency you want and make your delicious meal the best way you know how. So I still want to go in now with my vegetables. I'm going in with my onions, purple onions. You can use white onions. My green pea and the spinach I added just very little are in there, and the carrots goes in. So the whole of this veggies are like, if I should measure it, they are like 3 cups, and I'm using it on 1 cup macaroni. So at this measurement, you should not be worried about the carbohydrate content will not get easily digested. No, with these vegetables, everything is going to be broken down as fast as it gets to your system. So make sure you have lots and lots of veggies in your carbohydrate meal. So that is 2 teaspoons of crayfish. Like I mentioned, you can use the seasonings available to you. And a sprinkle of salt. Give it a good stir. Make sure they are fully incorporated. If you observe this little vapor, that means I'm still cooking on a very low heat because I still want these veggies to be fresh in my mouth. So after giving it a good stir, we are now good to go. You are done cooking. This is so fast, guys. It's only the slicings that might take a little time. And here we are, a bowl of full veggies and prawn macaroni. This macaroni actually tastes good, and the veggies there, you have to chew and chew and chew. When I was eating it, it's as if I'm eating veggies alone. I hardly feel the bites of the macaroni. So this is how you can make your carbohydrate rich food in a healthier way by adding more vegetables to them. Make sure you have much more vegetables in your meal. Maybe you're the type that like eating macaroni. Just take a little quantity and add more vegetables. As such, you will get the maximum benefit from your meal. So thank you guys. If you still want more videos, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.